guys, here's a 7x16 PJ Trailers high side dump trailer. Got a 14,000 pound G.V.W.R adjustable 2 5/16 inch bulldog coupler. Comes with tandem 7,000 pound Dexter axles with easy lube hubs. Has a 6-leaf slipper spring suspension. The tires on this are 16-inch white spoke wheels with the radial tires. Has a electric breakaway kit with a charger, DOT reflective tape, tread plate steel fenders. The hydraulic lift on this is a scissor lift. The back you'll have a 2-way gate. Also has slide-in channel ramps. The inside of the trailer you have 4 D-rings welded inside. The bed of the trailer as well as the sides are 10-gauge steel. The bed is 83 inches wide. Has a sealed wire harness. The sides here you have stake pockets. Has a 5-year Dexter axle warranty. Has a interstate deep cycle battery, DOT approved lifetime LED lights, and also comes with a spare tire mount. Give us a call 863-66-RIGHT or visit us anytime at righttrailers.com.